Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Ria Manvari Greens near Ankurhati checkpost on National Highway 6, just 2.3 km from National Highway. And you can see this is the grand living cum dining hall of this beautiful 3 BHK apartment. So come inside. This is the dining place, beautifully decorated dining place. And now come this side. So this is the drawing hall. You can decorate your TV unit over here, and just in front of you can see this is the balcony space along with this living cum dining area. Very big size balcony space along with this living cum dining. And now come this side. This side you can see this is the lobby space. So we are entering into the lobby space, and on my left hand side this is the kitchen area. It's a beautiful square shaped kitchen along with this separate refrigerator space, L pattern countertop, chimney hub. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. And now come this side. Just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom. It's a beautiful first bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 12 feet. It's a square shaped bedroom along with this very big size wardrobe space. And this side also you can decorate your wardrobe like this, and see the space of this bedroom. It's a very big size bedroom, and see the window space. And now come outside. So again into the lobby space. On my left hand side you can see this is the common toilet area, big size common toilet, and just beside that this is the second bedroom. So we are entering into the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, and see this bedroom is having windows on both the side with a king size bed and a very big size wardrobe space like this one. And this side also you can decorate your wardrobe like this one. Excellently crafted space, maximum utilization of space. And now come beside that. So this is the third bedroom or master bedroom. So this side, this is the master bedroom space, and along with this master bedroom you will be having your attached toilet space like this one. So this is the attached toilet space. And come this side, and this master bedroom is also having windows on both the side. And the size of this master bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 13 feet. It's a very big size master bedroom along with the king size bed and a wardrobe space like this one. So it's a very big master bedroom along with the attached toilet space. So this is a 3 BHK of 1250 square feet sellable area along with this 2 toilets, 1 balcony and 1 separate kitchen space. So this is the first bedroom again. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of units left and it is currently nearing to possession. So we have some great offers for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.